Mermaid what?
Mermaid poo?
Mermaid poo?
Yeah.
What else have we got?
Cow poo.
Cow poo?
Which one do you want to open first?
What's the other one? Is that bogies?
Boogies.
Bogies?
First, I'm going to open this one.
You can open that one. Okay, go for it. Ooh. It's what?
It's slimy.
Slimy.
Slimy. What did I open first?
The mermaid poop one.
Okay, done that mermaid poo. Let's see what. So, this one up.
Let's go look at the mermaid poo one. Let's go and have a look. Look at that.
Oh, what is this one? Ah, sticky, itchy, stick. Okay.
Oh, what's that one, Willa? Or should I call you Elsa? Elsa?
Ah. What is this one? Doesn't have glitter in it.
Well, does cow poo have glitter in it?
No.
Does cow poo have glitter in it?
It's a mosquito. No, it says don't have glitter. Okay, let's open this one. Because this one's a bit slimy. Let's get ready. I think we're gonna get ready. It's that. So get ready to open it.
So putting the lid back on the mermaid one. That's the cow one. Yep, that's right. The cow one goes on there. That's it. And then we've got the mermaid glitter poop. Put the lid back on that one. And then what's that one? What's that one? It's what?
Baby.
Bogies! Oh no! I don't like bogies.
But it's Einstein.
Oh, slime. Slimy
Yeah.
bogies.
And cow poo.
What a strange one. Cow poo. Mermaid. Poop.
I think
And slime.
I did this one.
Bogies.
I this one.
That's your favourite one? Which one's that one?
What's on your hands?
What does it feel like?
What happened when I put the lid back on?
It just keeps it nice in the container, doesn't it? Is that the right lid? Yay! Mermaid poop lid! You know, there's a history behind those. It
Okay.
says it was actually made by real mermaids.
You mean mermaids?
Real mermaids had actually made that for you. And what is it called? Mermaid?
Poo.
Oh no.
Yuck.
Yuck! What does that mean then?
I get. Oh, yuck. It doesn't get out.
Just go shake it, shake it, shake it. Maybe you've got to do the magic aerial words. What's the magic mermaid words?
Elsa!
Elsa!
Elsa! Elsa! Elsa!
Ooh, and what happens now?
Oh, this is not the right one. Okay. Elsa! 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 Let's see what happens. Take the lid off. Elsa! Elsa! Elsa!
What's this one? Let's have a look. What's this one? Oh no. I got the cow poo one. Oh no. What does it feel like? Oh. Oh. It's so slimy.